What's up guys, Ackeem Sterling here. Now in this video I'm going to do the unboxing and review of this B4 2K security camera, and this is basically for outdoor, as you can see right here. So basically what comes inside is the camera, as you can see right here, and yet we have a solar panel. So this is indeed wireless with solar panel. So I'm just going to unbox it right now so that you guys can see what's inside the package. So right here we have a user manual. Right here, as you can see here, this is solar panel that come inside. So we have some attachment right here for the camera. We have some screw in here as well. We also have another attachment. This is for the solar panel. Now we have a USB Type-C cable, as you can see right here. Also we have a guided with some ruler right there. This basically can show you how to put in your screws in the wall. Here guys, we have the camera itself. As you can see, this is the camera right here. This is basically how it looks. So we have some antennas on here as well. About 2 antennas on the back right here. You can see our screw hole. Right here we have our sensor, we have our camera right here. So under the bottom right here you can see we have our speaker. We have our scan code that can basically scan it. So guys, inside the back of the camera right here we have the power button right here. As you can see, this is basically the power button. This is the reset button. This is the SD card button right here, and this is the power button, which is 5 volt. This is the USB Type-C adapter can go into right here, and also as you can see right here we have a middle piece that basically can come out and we can stuck it in. So basically we have this piece right here that can stuck into right here and cover it if we don't want, and if we're charging it, basically we can pull out this piece right here, which basically protect it, give it some different layer of protection of right here, which is looking pretty neat. I'm just going to power this up right now guys so that you see how it basically works. Alright guys, so the first step that I want to do right here is to scan this code and the user manual. So to basically download the app from the Play Store and register your device. So once you have done that, what you need to do is to basically follow these steps. Right here you can scan your device with the camera to add it to the camera. Then you can select right here, as you can see, your camera, and then you can confirm. So you can basically use it, and you can scan the code also on the camera and log in with your information that you have just registered to basically using the camera. So I'm going to scan it right now. So as you can see right here, that's up right guys. So I'm going to download the app right now. It's going to bring it to the Play Store. The app is looking like this. So you're going to press get to download it. Okay guys, so you're going to see this icon right here. You can scan your camera. So you're going to see that the option right here, you can choose from different cameras. You're going to choose the B4 camera right here. So you're going to click on that. You're going to click on next. Then you're going to click on the pairing button right under right here to basically pair it. As you can see, button under the camera. So you're going to press and hold on for 3 seconds, like so. Until you see the light start flashing.
QR code scan is successful. Wi-Fi is connected.
As you can see guys, Wi-Fi is not connected.
The pairing is successful.
Pairing right now
You
is
can
successful.
start using the camera now.
So as you can see right here, this is my camera up looking like on the phone. So I can choose the camera name and which name I want to use. So as you can see right here guys, camera is now connected. So as you can see right there, you can see basically myself and the camera, which is looking pretty neat. As you can see, camera is now connected. As you can see all around. As you can see guys, the camera is looking pretty neat. So this is basically a display right here. This is 4K, and you can basically change it to any quality that you want. This right here is speaker. You can basically turn on the speaker, so you can basically hear what the camera is basically projecting. You can also talk to someone on the camera right here. You can also record. You can also take a picture, as you can see right there. So we can come out of this view. This is the Wi-Fi connection. This is the date. This is the time. As you can see, this is basically look on the app right here, the display. You can see alert, you can replay, you can turn on your siren to basically alert the camera when someone is probably walking by. as you can see, which is pretty great also. So this is the talk mode, and the settings, there are basically things that you can tweak on the camera right here in terms of some settings, so which is pretty great. So this is the camera right here, guys. The quality is indeed looking pretty decent, and it's a great camera because it is solar and it can basically use outdoor, so it is waterproof, and I like how this basically looks. So thank you guys for watching. If this finds video helpful, remember to subscribe to this channel for more content like this, and as always, I see you guys in my next video. Peace out.